In film production, speed is everything. So I'm going to show you how to speed up your accounting workflow in just 2 minutes. Let's say you're wrapping up a production and your production coordinator has a bunch of petty cash receipts to log. Instead of manually logging them, in Periscope, you just upload a photo of the receipt. Our AI extracts the numbers and logs it for you. Let's take a look. So come over here to petty cash, click on the petty cash envelope, create expense, upload. Let's choose the actual receipt. And it is now uploading the photo. You can actually do this with your phone also, so you can operate with your phone instead of having to scan and bring them in. It's now processing and extracting all the data and directly putting it into Periscope. And now let's check if it's accurate. So the total matches the receipt, $197.95. It's applied the applicable tax to everything. We know that the mills is the budget code. So we will put that in here on all the lines so to make sure that it reflects in our cost report. And what is this for? This was Epic Steakhouse dinner for, let's say, for the director. All right, and click save. And let's go to here to see returned. And $197.95. Everything looks good. It's here sitting and waiting for your accountant to come and approve it. And they'll be able to use the actual photo that you uploaded to verify. You can grant access to anyone, PCs, PAs, department heads. Anyone can use this as long as you give them access. And that's how you speed up your accounting workflow with Periscope Film Production Accounting.